All right, welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a look at the new generation Fire TV Stick 4K. I didn't even realize there was a new generation Fire TV Stick until a couple of days ago. Apparently, this came out maybe a month ago. I said, why not? I haven't done a Fire Stick video in a long time. So let's just take a look and see if there's anything new, hardware-wise, software-wise. Once I open the box, we'll walk through a setup and see what we find. So without further ado, let's open the box. Alrighty, so on the box, first and foremost, it shows a new shape. I see a new shape Fire TV Stick. It's not as square as it usually is. By the way, this is the Canadian edition. So there's Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, Crave, Paramount Plus, and Gem. Amazon Music on the side. Apple TV on the other side. And on the back, it just tells you the typical press and ask Alexa, 4K Ultra, HD, HDR, high dynamic range, Dolby Vision Atmos. It's a quad-core 1.7 gigahertz processor, Wi-Fi 6, and power volume controls, which you all come to know and love. All right, so let's get into this. All right, so it looks like we got the remote. We'll open that in a bit. We got the actual Fire Stick. We have the cable, which is the same USB-A to micro USB. Nothing changed there. I was hoping maybe they would go to USB-C, but that's not happening. Got the dongle. What else is in here? We got the important information. We got what I like to call the hello bonjour. Basically your quick guide. We won't go through that. Let's see. There should be a power plug in here. All right. So here is the adapter. Looks like it's covered in some kind of paper. I've never seen this before. Weird. Oh, I guess to prevent scratches. I don't know. Don't know what this is about. All right, so you got the brick. And your Amazon Basic AAA batteries. 2 of those. All right, so let's clear the desk. All right, let's just take a look at the remote, see if there's any significant changes. I highly doubt it. But let's see. Packaging is a little different than I'm used to. It's a little bit more stuff happening here. All right, so the remote, all the papers off. Looks like you got the power, the Alexa, directional circle, back, home, options, rewind, fast forward, play, pause, mute, TV button, volume up, volume down, Prime Video, Netflix. They used to have a YouTube button here, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. Now it just says apps and Amazon Music. So nothing really changed from the 2021 remote. It seems like this might have a little indentation. I'm not sure if the 2021 remote has this, but I'll double check. Now to take a look at the actual Fire Stick itself. Just a few specs. This is a 8 gig storage, 2 gigs RAM, Wi-Fi 6, as I said earlier, dual band, 802.11, ABGN, AC, and AX. Supports Dolby Atmos 7.1 surround. It also supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG. And of course, this outputs 4K resolution as the maximum. All right, so definitely a different shape, more rounded on the edges. Got the HDMI out. Other than that, nothing is different. All right, so now we're gonna go set it up in my living room. We're gonna see if there's any changes to the interface, if there is any speed differences. They also said this is 25% faster than the first gen stick. So let's see, we're gonna put that to the test. Be back, stay tuned. So now we have everything plugged in to my laser projector here in my living room. And I believe it's asking me to hold the home button to sync with the remote. So let's go ahead and hit the home button. All right, so now the remote is synced with the Fire Stick, and we're gonna proceed forward. It's asking me to hit the play pause button. And I'm gonna choose my language. Since I'm in Canada, I always usually choose English Canada. Now it's checking for updates. Fire TV Stick 4K will restart in a few seconds. So far, everything looks just like the last gen Fire Stick, nothing different. I'm honestly not expecting anything different. I'm pretty sure they're gonna keep their software pretty much uniform across each device. But I'm just curious, and it's been a while, so here we go. All right, so here it wants me to choose my streaming services. I don't use anything there. Don't use anything there. Don't use anything there. And Tubi is probably the only one that I would look at, but I rarely do. But I'm just gonna do it anyways. So now it's saying press the play pause to continue. Gonna finish. Welcome to Fire TV. Easily navigate with main menu. Personalize Fire TV with profiles. Alexa, help me get started. Decide what to watch with Find. Customize the apps in your main menu. All right, so now we're finally in. I know there's apps downloading in the background, but even with that, I find the navigation to be very smooth. I see no problems with that. I'm pretty impressed with how smooth everything is. Let's just take a look at the display. So this is not a 4K laser TV, so this is being displayed in 1080p. The depth I'm not gonna change. Everything. Oh, this is moving pretty snappy, I must say. I'm very impressed with how fast this is moving. It is a lot faster than the last gen Fire TV. It's a significant speed increase. All right, there you have it. A quick setup of the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, the new generation 2023. All right, so there you have it. That was the quick setup of the new 2023 Fire Stick TV 4K. The new generation, as I said in the setup video, I was pretty impressed with the speed. At least the speed felt a little snappier than usual. All around pretty impressed. Everything else is the same. Interface is the same. Setup is the same. Nothing different otherwise. 2 gigs of RAM, that might be doing it. The 1.7 gigahertz processor, that might be doing it. Those are the 2 main improvements that I can see in the reading the spec notes. And it is what it is. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated, Isolated with Technology. And I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. And don't forget to check for the link in the description below to get this Fire Stick on Amazon. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.